Hey guys, I want to talk to you about this really cool multifunctional kid step stool. So the step stool, I love using it as like a kitchen helper that you see. This is awesome. It has the 2 steps here, and then the top, it has this nice reinforcement bars. I absolutely love the design on here. How cute is this? It has like the little spaceship, some planets and stars, and the cutouts go all the way down through. I love the different locks on here, so you can go ahead and lock it into position, and I'll show you the other ones here, and there's other locks that lock those in, but they're really nice, super easy to use, nice and sturdy on there. So you can go ahead and just lock it in there, and you don't have to worry about this going anywhere. So one of the other functions of this is really nice. It's a whiteboard, so the kids can stand up right to it. There's a whiteboard, and then on the other side, you can go ahead and unscrew these, push it up, and you can flip it over, and you have a nice chalkboard on there too. Then you just slide it right back down, screw them back in, it holds it in there for you. So let me go ahead and show you some of the other features here. You can go ahead and unlock it. You're gonna fold this down, just like that, and becomes the cutest little table. You can go ahead and this part actually comes out. So a kid could sit here, and you can go ahead and take this wooden part and put it right on this side. Down, and 2 kids can sit right there. And you can go ahead and lock it. There's a lock on the front and one on the back here to keep that nice and sturdy. That way you don't have to worry about anyone pinching their fingers in here or anything like that. So I love this. This is great, especially if you have kids who are a little bit too small to sit in like a chair in case they might tip over. This is such a great option. It's nice and low to the ground. I love how much room there is. It's great if your kids are having a snack or if they're playing with blocks. I love that you can sit 2 so they can go ahead and interact with each other. The wood on here is really nice. It's great quality. It's nice and smooth. I love that you can use this up to kids up to 6 years old. You can actually even use this as an adult for a step stool if you have it like in the kitchen, you need to grab something. My kids love to use this. They love helping me out in the kitchen. It makes it a little bit easier so they're not standing on a chair. So if you're looking for a nice multi-purpose stool for your kids, this one's a great option. Thanks for watching.